vocabulary you probably know from this past year. So please listen and enjoy.
Today we will hear from each of the body systems once and for all. We will end the argument that has gone for many years. Today I will decide which human body system is most important. Each system will present its case and be heard. Is this clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now skeletal system, you have been called the basic form of our body.
Right, Your Honor. I give our body the shape I like to protect all the organs inside. Without me, the body would just be a ball on the floor.
You sound important the skeletal system. Tell me more about yourself.
Right, Your Honor. I give the body shape and protect important organs. Without me, the body would collapse like a ball.
Tell me more.
I'm made of bones like the skull, rib and spine. The rib cage protects the hard bones. Without strong bones, the body couldn't stand or stay safe. I also need calcium to stay strong, but I am the most important system.
Okay, so you have a lot of parts. What else?
The skull is also part of my system. The skull is basically like a bike helmet for the brain. The rib cage, another part of me, protects the heart and lungs. And so you are saying we are really important to.
Okay, skeletal system. Great.
I just wanted to say that without me, Your Honor, the body would not really be a body. The organ would get injured too easily. The body would have no shape. The person would die. I do need calcium-rich food to keep my bones strong, but I am wounded. I am the most important part of the body.
Thanks for your testimony. Next, I would like to hear about the muscular system.
Thank you, Your Honor. I want to learn skeletal system did not mention me.
Why is that?
Because we are bodies, we work together. Muscular, Your Honor, bone cannot move without the muscle of the body. Run, jump, dance, eat, even blink.
Okay, explain please.
The muscle I make up my system would make the body move, jump. Play, dance, play, eat, go to the bathroom, and so much more. The muscles are attached to bones and joints. Basically, my muscles are big rubber bands, and there are over 600 of them.
Even more muscles than bones. Impressive. Keep going.
Some of the muscles are called involuntary muscles. This means they will only work when the brain tells them to work. For example, if a body wants to kick something, the brain has to tell those muscles to move.
See, I told you I'm the most important.
I see them, the resistance. Go ahead, muscular system.
Thank you. Some of my muscles are involuntarily. This means they move without anything telling it to move. For example, the heart beats without the brain thinking about it. The eyes focus without the body thinking about it. These muscles just do their jobs without being told to.
Very interesting. Is there anything else you would like to tell me?
The more the muscles are used, the stronger they are. Muscles do we need energy to work right, and we get that energy through healthy foods. Be basically your arm. I am most important system because I make the body move around me. I'll be the body. I'll be a. I'll be. I'll be. The body will be a block, a couch, a kind of unhealthy and unable to exercise.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your testimony. I think I would like to hear from the respiratory system next.
Right here, Honor, I would like to say that I am the most important body system because I am responsible for taking the air in and getting oxygen to the blood. I also get rid of the bad air, carbon dioxide. I bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide. Without oxygen, the body cannot survive.
Sounds like an important job. Keep going.
Air eating through the nose and mouth travels down the ventilator and fills the lungs. The lungs also keep no. The lungs also help us speak, laugh, sing, and sneeze.
Very well said. Is there anything else you would like to add?
I would just like to say that people should really take care of me. Action is the best way to keep me healthy. Cigarette, smoke, and air pollution is also a good idea. Without me, the body cannot live. I am the most important system.
You made your case. Thank you, respiratory system. Next, let's hear from the digestive system.
But I know I don't want to take care of them. And I took energy for the body.
That was a good sandwich. Tell me more, please.
Food is trained in the mouth, travels down and into the stomach where it's broke. Then the absorbs using water the body needs.
Is the esophagus in your throat like a windpipe? Are these the same?
Yes, it is the door, but no, you are they're not same the same. They're not the same too. It's good. The esophagus goes to the stomach. The windpipe goes to breathe like drums.
So you help fuel the body.
Exactly. Without me, the body will not get any virus or roaches need to live. It's where it goes where okay. Like,
Okay, so you do a lot of work. Why are you important to the body?
they do all. I do how I am but because of me, the body could not get any nutrients, vitamins, or others from the food. I work best with nutritious foods and a lot of water, but without me, the body never get anything in the to breathe, to move, or to live.
Thank you, digestive system. How about the circulatory system next?
My heart is pounding, my blood is pumping. Your Honor, I went to the eye acute speed for MC. Will you play along with me?
For a minute, go ahead.
Thank you. Please take your pointer and middle finger and place them on your neck like this. Do you feel that pulse? Please take your hand and squeeze the base of one of your fingers. Hold it until your finger starts to hurt a little and turns purplish and cold. This is basically what happens when your leg or arm falls asleep. You cut off the blood flows to that area. It hurts too. Your Honor, have you ever cut yourself? What happened?
Of course, I bled.
Did you rush to stop the bleeding?
Well, yes, of course.
Why?
Because the blood is important to your body and you don't want to lose too much of it.
Your Honor, my system is the heart, the arteries, the blood vessels, and the caterpillars. The heart pumps blood throughout the body through a bunch of tunnels, which arteries. The blood vessels are caterpillars, and your body is basically a big road map of tunnels, and every tunnel takes blood to the organs so they can work, and to the arms, legs, toes, and fingers so they can work too. If the heart stops beating, the body stops working.
Your point is clear. Circulatory system. You are needed to make the body work. Do I understand you correctly?
Yes, Your Honor, I rest my case.
Thanks. Thank you. Last but not least, let's hear from the nervous system.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm the body's command center. I control the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Same thing. Messages that control movement, heartbeat, breathing, digestion, and more. Without me, the body could not function.
Important for sure.
I don't mean to be rude, Your Honor, but without me, the body just cannot live. I'm the main computer, the master of the body, the one in charge of everything. I tell everyone else what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. No one else can decide without me. I never get a day off. I am even working while the body sleeps. In fact, I tell the body when to sleep. I tell it when to eat. I am the I'm the manager.
Thank you, nervous system. Thank you all for your testimony. I can see why the argument has gone for many years. I will review my notes and make a decision about which system is most important. Please be quiet and let me think for just a few minutes. To all the systems, attention please, I have made a decision. First, let me explain what I think before I tell you which system is most important. Nervous system, you are the brains of the operation. You are the command center, but you need oxygen from the lungs in the respiratory system, right?
Well, yes, Your Honor.
And you get the oxygen because the blood in the circulatory system brings it to you. Circulatory system, you need the lungs to get the oxygen to you, to correct it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Respiratory system, if you don't get exercise, you won't be able to work very well, right?
That's true, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you can't get exercise without the muscular system moving you around, and the muscular system can't move around without the support of bone and joints and the skeletal system, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, we work together.
All of you need the digestive system because that is where food becomes energy and nutrients to make you work the way you are supposed to, right? So basically, you all need each other, right? I officially declared the most important body system of the human body is the six of you together. All of you are equally important because you will not be able to work without each other. Argument settled, case dismissed.
We have Nosan as the circulatory, Noong as the skeletal, Shakina as the respiratory, the judge is Talk, who did an amazing job, Ko as our muscular, Daniel as our nervous system, and John as our digestive system. You guys go ahead and take a bow. Great job.